How to make any app open in pop-up view on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a step-by-step guide on how you can make any app open in a pop-up view on an Android device. Without any further delay, let us just begin. So, opening apps in a pop-up view is like using the app when you are opening any other apps in the background. So you might have heard about pop-up chat heads of Messenger. So what I can do is go to any other chats here as well, tap on the I button, then I'm able to open the chat head. Now my chat has been open in a pop-up view just like this. So you can do this kind of thing for any other app as well. So first you need to turn it on, go to settings. Then from there, you need to go ahead and tap on the search icon and then search for pop-up. So I'll just go to the search bar and then tap on pop-up. Then you can find something called swipe for pop-up view on multi-window. Tap on it, make sure that this option is turned on. So what happens is you can swipe from the top corner towards the middle of the screen to change to pop-up view. So let me just do that for settings. I can just drag it from the top of the screen, and as you can see here, it has opened into a pop-up view just like that. Now I can just tap on it, minimize it, and then I can access this anytime I want, even if I'm using anything on the background as well. So you can also do that by going over to recent apps. So let's say if I want to do this again, I can tap on the icon for the app just like so, and then you can find open in pop-up view. Tap on it and now it will be opened in pop-up view just like this. There's one more thing you can do, so let me just close it again. From here, just tap and hold onto the app. Then you can drag up and down for split apps, but you can drag it to the middle for pop-up view. And that's it. Now you can just readjust the size of it and you can move it around anywhere you want in the screen. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.